Today's episode is Classiccaillou5282 causes earthquake / almost every single city gets destroyed / grounded. I'm going to start the earthquake, ha 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 ha. But first, I need to go to the city before I need to start the earthquake. It's working. Now I had to run home quickly before the earthquake is destroying their homes. Oh my god, I almost got killed by earthquake. Hey Classiccaillou5282, did you do something bad? No. Stop lying, I'm going to watch the news if it's true. Dixon, no.
Welcome back for the Plotagonia GNN News, and today we are gonna discuss how a tornado destroyed almost every single cities. For some reason, a tornado just destroyed almost every single houses. Now they had to rebuild in 100 centuries. Right, Smear?
Yay. This person has gray t-shirt, blue jeans, and in red shoes. And if you see that person, ground him for the bad actions.
Thank you, Samir. And also, you have to pay $100 million to rebuild every single houses. Anyways, this is Plotagonia GNN News, signing out.
Classiccaillou5282. How dare you summon an earthquake to destroy every single homes? Now we had to pay a lot of money for IT. That is so IT. You are grounded for 5 years. Go to your room now.